What did you just do? Why is this a thing? Jesus, just like scared the leg right off of me.
This sounds like a normal SUV.
First, biker stall. Second,
Now, you'll notice how quiet the truck is.
So what motor is it? Is this the LT that's in this?
Correct.
you know what you should do? You should put people in the back here with heart rate monitors and just wait for it. Like,
That could go with that initial reaction thing, right?
We'll see how fast we can get to 18.
Put it on.
We're about to do something stupid. Get out of the way. What did you just do? Why is this a thing? Why did you build this? Good morning, Dave. I'd like to kill myself. What the fuck is this?
He's Dave Rockout. I'm Chris Clark. We're with Armageddon Turbo.
Jesus, just like scared the leg right off of me.
You scared the black out of me, he said! and guys, the scary thing is, this is 200 horsepower less than what it can make, because it's no race gas.
I'm just gonna put my shades on so I can start crying.
400, sorry, 400. Holy crap, you're right. That's 10 pounds of boost.
I did not expect
I'm
that.
not crying, you're crying.
No, my eyes are sweating. I don't know what's wrong with yours.
Because my eyes are sweating. What's your problem? I mean, the craziest thing about this truck is, besides the engine and the fuel system, everything else is stock.
Yeah.
Drive shaft, transmission, brakes. I mean, these are the 22-inch wheels. They're aftermarket, but it's the same size as stock.
Right.
It's literally, I mean, you could drive, we do drive this every day. We've driven this thing from North Carolina here 3 different times now across country.
Right.
And it gets, and it averages, and it's been to California.
It's been, on this power level, it's been to the Atlantic and the Pacific twice.
Wow.
And it gets 24 miles to the gallon.
That's crazy.
Not when you're doing
On
that.
podcast,
Well,
yeah.
Sure.
You're cruising 75, 80, it gets 23 miles to the gallon.
So, welcome to Soccer Mom.
Yeah, there she is.
Nice.